Do you feel like you're walking through a constant, thick brain fog? Do you struggle with low energy and a complete lack of focus? No matter how much you sleep or how much coffee you drink, you've probably been told to just try harder or be more disciplined. You've blamed yourself thinking something is wrong with your motivation or your willpower. But what if I told you it's not your fault? A huge piece of the puzzle might be hidden inflammation, which can be triggered by the very foods our modern environment has trained us to crave. In this video, we're going to expose how certain foods can be a major factor in sabotaging your brain and your hormones, and I'll give you a simple, powerful plan to fight back and reclaim your energy and focus. Let's be honest, it feels like a daily battle. You wake up feeling like you haven't slept at all. You sit down to work and your brain just won't switch on. Words are on the tip of your tongue, but you can't quite grasp them. You read the same paragraph 3 times. That's the brain fog. Then comes the energy crash. Around 3 p.m., you hit a wall so hard you feel like you need a nap under your desk. You reach for another coffee or a sugary snack for a temporary lift, knowing it's a cycle that will only repeat tomorrow. For many men, there's another more personal layer to this. A decline in drive, a lack of vitality, and physical changes you can't quite explain. This can be a sign of low testosterone, a hormone crucial for energy, mood, and confidence. You go to the doctor and maybe they run some basic tests. They tell you you're fine, that your levels are within range, and that maybe you should just reduce stress or get more sleep. But you know something is fundamentally wrong. You feel like a shadow of your former self, and the worst part is the feeling that it must be your own doing. That feeling of personal failure is exhausting, but I'm here to tell you to let it go. Because a major culprit could be hiding in plain sight, on your plate and in your pantry.